Breaking news, guys, here in Phuket, the Krabi National Park and Marine Departments are announced immediate closures effective the 16th of May. Find out the details right now. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with a very serious Jay.
No, I'm not serious. Sean phoned me up 2 hours ago and said, Jay, we've got to do a breaking news video because I've got my hair bleached. And so I went, okay, well, I'll get my hair bleached. And so I did, and this is what we're here for our bleaching hair video.
I said it's about coral bleaching.
Oh, I thought you said, oh, so not hair bleaching.
No, and that wig does smell. You're going to need a shower.
All my wigs smell, Sean, you know that.
This is actually quite serious news. There is an immediate closure of some islands in the Phuket and Krabi area. And I thought it was very important to get that out to you.
Yes.
We just put up a video the other day about Simlan Islands closing.
Yes, we did.
That is a normal closure. Every 6 months it will close.
That's right.
But due to coral bleaching in the Krabi Island area,
some people call it Krabi.
yes, the National Park and Marine Departments of those areas have closed a number of islands. I'm going to read them out to you now, and Kyle's going to put a map up and show you where all these islands are. Good job, Kyle.
Where are they?
Firstly, the north and east side of Koh Kai Island, also known as Koh Kai Island, not Kai Island, Phuket, but this is in the Krabi side. That is closed immediately.
As in now?
Yep, done.
Wow.
Closed already. As of you watching this video, it's closed.
What if you're on there right now?
Well, you can't snorkel.
But you can get off the island.
I believe they're still allowing you to go to the island, but you're not allowed to snorkel in the sea. Now, we can talk about why that is in a moment.
Okay.
Next, Bat Bay, this is closed. Next, Poda Island, the north side of Poda Island is closed. Puya Bay is closed. Dang Island, this is a beautiful island.
Is it?
I really hope there's not coral damage there because this is a stunning place to snorkel. Dang Island is closed. Railay Bay is closed, and Yawasam Island is closed.
Yugoslam?
Well, Yawasam.
Did that used to be called Croatia?
What this is as of the 16th of May 2024, that's before this video comes out, but we're filming it right in time. The National Park Marine Department of those areas closed those islands for snorkeling and diving.
Wow.
You can still sightsee the area, but a lot of people that do the Krabi Islands go there to snorkel, specifically at the sites that I have just announced.
How will that affect our tours?
So we can still operate a Krabi tour that goes to Hong Island, Hong Krabi, Low Lading, and Pak Bia. These are still all open and still generally what we would do in a Hong Krabi tour. But if you go to Krabi Islands, which is that little further out part near Railay, if you go there, strongly suggest you change tour plans. What I do say is Phi Phi is still open, Raya is still open, Kai Island, Coral Island, Maiton. These are all still open. Koh Har and Koh Rock is still open. And an update, we did a video not so long ago where we talked about Koh Rock and Koh Har potentially closing for the same period of time that Simlan Islands would close.
That's right.
Update to that. They're only going to close during the Maya Bay closure period. So they'll only be closing
1st of August
through to end of September, reopening October 1st. Actually, I would say the national parks and marine departments in our area quite often get bashed by the media for not doing a good job. This immediate closure, I think, in my view, is a good thing for the areas that they're trying to protect.
And they're doing it because of coral bleaching. That's right.
And this is a very good, strong step forward by the National Park and Marine Departments. And we at 5 Star Marine support it. And we do understand that this does mean changes to tour programs that specifically are going to the Krabi area. And a piece of advice for those of you who are choosing to stay in Krabi, most tours that operate from Krabi would go to these islands, which means if you're staying in Krabi, you may find that all of your tours departing Krabi are closed. And I did see companies from Krabi doing mass closures to their 4-island tour.
Oh no.
The 4-island tour, of the 4 islands that you would normally visit to snorkel, 2 of them are closed. So I thought that was really important that you know that and that you understand that this closure will affect tours departing Krabi. Less likely to affect tours departing Phuket, because Phuket tours do not generally go to the Krabi Island area.
No, Phang Nga's still open, Phi Phi's still open, so you can still go there.
Yeah. Well, for us, Phang Nga, Phi Phi, Russia, these are our more popular programs departing from Phuket, so I don't think it has an immediate impact on 5-Star Marine customers.
But listen, people, coral bleaching is a thing. So stop using petrol and diesel and recycle stuff.
Well,
Is this a good message?
If you look at our FAQs page, one of the things that we ask you to do is to bring reef-safe sunscreen. And a prediction would be that one of the reasons they've blocked snorkeling and diving in that area would be they think some of the damage and bleaching to the coral is coming from the customers being in the water. Now, that could be a range of different things, but I certainly think the use of what type of sunscreen you're using might be something they're looking at as being something that affects the coral.
It might be. I mean, there's lots of factors that affect coral bleaching. I mean, the sea temperature's gone up because it's El Nino year. Obviously, there is climate change. There is bad sun cream. There's lots of fuel and lots of petrol and stuff. There's a whole number of things. But bottom line is, we've done something, or not we, but the national parks have done something to try to combat this and try to protect it. So that's a positive thing.
Yeah, and I think breaking news would be that they do not have an open deck.
Oh, right.
It's closed indefinitely until the situation improves.
Fingers crossed that soon. But it's a good thing they've shut it.
You have fluff all over your face.
Do I? Have I had a fluffy video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where's that from? Oh, that's from the other mask I had on.
Mask, yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, you didn't see that one.
Anyway, I just thought it would be important that we get that information out for those of you who are choosing to travel. And I do
Why
know.
didn't you tell me that at the first? Now we've got to reshoot the whole thing.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
I do know that Krabi is a popular destination for people who visit Phuket during this time of year. So I think it's important that you know that your tour options from Krabi will be limited.
And what you could do is you could just dump Krabi off, come to Phuket and come on one of our tours.
There you go.
How about that?
Good work, Jay.
No worries, that's your breaking news.
And we'd like
Don't
to
go
thank
to Krabi.
Dr. Pepper for their non-sponsorship of this episode.
Yeah, Dr.
of
Pepper.
the Phuket Tourism News.
We've run out of cans of Dr. Pepper as well and bottles, so if you are watching Dr. Pepper, send us some, please.
That was
Thanks.
very serious, though. I felt like a newsreader. I even had my teleprompter.
You did very well on that one.
Yeah.
Why don't you close it?
Subscribe, comment. I don't know that part.
Like, subscribe, comment below. We love you. Thanks for watching. Don't use bad sunscreen.
And thanks to Kyle for the quick edit.
Yeah, well done, Kyle.